the story is?
Please.
Please.
This one, right? Teacher Suguna in Teacher Suguna. What's that, right? I see it stand this one also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But I want to share with other friends as well, Lucas.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, children. This is the storybook, children. I cannot hear you. It's too soft, your voice. Okay, let me start this story. This story about the way of these animals, okay, how they will use the word please. Okay, so we go to the story one by one, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Please.
Okay. Okay, look at the first picture. Okay, Piglet wants some apples. What's the magic word? Ask Mom. Mom is asking, what is the magic word you need to use if you need to eat an apple? And then the piglet said, oink, oink, oink. Is that the magic word?
No.
What do you think? Is that the magic word? Oink, oink, oink?
No.
No. Then mother say, what the mother say?
No.
No. And then the piglet used another magic word. What is that magic word? Abracadabra. Is it the magic word?
No.
No. Their mother said no. After that, she asking, is it?
Please.
Please. Then mother said, yes. After he said the word please, then only mother gave the apples to him. See?
Yeah.
So if you need something from someone, let's say you want to borrow a pencil from your friends, how are you going to ask? Give me the pencil. Is that the way you ask?
Yes.
No. Which one is the correct sentence that you can use to get
Please.
yeah. Can I borrow your pencil, please? Okay, then your friends will give. This is more polite way, okay? You cannot simply give me the pencil and then you snatch and go. Cannot do like that, okay? Even when you are playing toys with your sisters or brothers as well, if you want to share or you want to have something from the baby or baby sister, you must use the word
Thank you.
please. Yeah. You must. Can I play with these toys, please? Can I have this, please? Okay. Okay, the next one. Now let's go for the calf. Okay, the baby cow. Calf wants some hay. What's the magic word? Ask that. Then he said moo. He's asking, is that moo is the magic word?
No.
Father said no. And then he said, I know. Alakazam. Then father said no. And
So it
so
must
he
be
said,
please.
so it must be
Please.
please. Okay, and then father said,
Yes.
yes. Okay.
And the next
See, this is the word here. Polite calf gets sweet, fresh hay. See, after the word please. Okay, now let's go to this fall. Wow. Okay, he wants some carrots. Okay, what is the magic word mommy asking?
Yay.
He say, say?
No.
He said nay. Is it like that?
No.
No. Mother said that is not a magic word. Then which one is the magic word? Then he said, I know. Hey presto. Is that the magic word?
No.
No. Then which one is the magic word?
Please. Well, please.
Okay, then
it must be please.
Please.
Yes.
Can I have some carrots, please? Asking the Paul. And then mother say,
Yes.
yes. Okay. Polite Paul get crunchy carrots. Finally, after he said please, he will get the carrot. But how many carrots he will eat?
100.
100. Wow. A small baby horse can eat 100 carrots. That's great.
咁早又當音咩？
Alright, let's go to the next one. This is the lamb. Okay, let's want some dandelions. Then dad is asking, what is a magic word? He will say ba. Like that. Okay, after you say ba, will he get the dandelions?
No.
No. Then father said ba is not the magic word. Then which one is the magic word? He asking again. The lamb is asking, is this sazam? Is the magic word?
No. No.
No. Then which one is the magic word?
Please.
Okay, let's see. Lamb is thinking now, but lamb can't think the magic word.
Please.
Can you help her?
I know.
Try to make her remember what is the magic word. How are you going to make the lamb to remember?
Please.
Please?
Please.
How are you going to use the word please?
Go to another page.
Go to another page. Okay, let's
我依邊加蛋咯，唔係啊？
Yes,
嗰個
got
隻
it.
啊 fishball 嗰隻啊
please.
咩？
Someone you see all the other friends, the fowl, the cow, the piglet, and everyone
咩啦？魚滑啦
saying the word
魚滑粉啦。
please together.
係。
So he also said please to the dad, and dad say
Yes.
yes. After dad say yes, did he get the dandelions?
No.
Sure.
佢加粉嘛。
Yeah, I can see the dandelions.
You can see the dandelions.
And she
Okay,
eat
now
it.
let me ask you something.
米粉。
Story done?
Story done.
Dad, what is black here? Dad. Story done?
好啦，好啦。
Okay. So they cannot listen to the story fully, right? Halfway only, but we're going to use the word please. Can you tell me when you will use the word please?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Please.
Okay, let's say teacher Ishwari can say, right, some children is not listening. So what are the magic word that teacher Ishwari can use to the children? Yeah. Children, can you please listen to me? See, I use the word please. Okay. If let's say you all still doing work, right? Doing writing. And then what is the magic word that teacher can use?
Please. Please. Thank you, please. Thank you.
俾個菠蘿肯講啊！
Wayne is here. Oh. Okay, then for tomorrow, Ruben, we will do it tomorrow, okay? Okay, then I can say Children, can you please stop doing your work? It's time's up. So I'm using the word please. When you ask something from your mommy, what you will do? How you going to ask? Are you sure?
Yeah.
The word please. Or you will just go, Mommy, I want bread. Mommy, I want ice cream. Mommy, I want rice. Mommy, I want this. Or you will ask in different way. Okay, Jessie, how are you going to ask your mommy if you want to eat fruit?
Please.
Wait. Let Jessie answer.
Please.
Please, how you make a small sentence for that? You said the word please, only your mommy don't know what you want. Sorry?
Teacher, my hair got Hello Kitty.
Oh, very nice.
My dress
Nice Hello Kitty, ZK.
Bye for me.
Okay, Jessie, you can ask to your mommy, Mommy, can I have some fruits, please? Okay? You don't use just... Yes, Hyunjin?
I know. Ask mommy to give me, please.
Yes.
I know.
Okay, let's say during this lesson, right, teacher asks you to take something. For example, teacher asks you to take the number cards. You cannot find the number cards and you need your mommy's help. How are you going to ask your mommy?
Just come and take. No need.
Just come and take. You need to ask help from your mommy. How are you going to ask help from your mommy?
Please.
Please? Okay. Or are you going to use the word please only?
Go to the jungle. Yes. Can you help me to find the numbers, please?
Yes, please. Yes, thank you very much, Lucas. Okay, this is how you're going to ask your mommy's help. Shwani? Understand? Okay, good.
Mommy, buy this me.
Okay, I still have some time. Do you want to share any stories?
Yes. One.
Okay, never mind. Those want to share you can get a storybook and share with me.
Okay. I will go for any recipe. I do a story a day.
Who is yes, Ruben?
Storybook.
Okay.
I get some come, okay?
All right.
Ma.
Bye-bye, teacher. I haven't leave yet.
King Solomon used to judge people's arguments. One day, two women came before him, both claiming that the baby they had brought with them was their own.
I think Lucas can show your book to us or not, so that your friends can see the books. Can you show it to us?
Heavy.
Oh, it's too big. Okay. Justin, do you want to share any stories or not?
What?
Oh, okay. Now let's try. Ruben, do you want to share about your book?
Yes. I want to share.
Okay, can you tell about your book? What stories?
Blind man was eaten by a beast. One morning when the sun
Yes.
pulled out his hand and felt something rough and soft. It's a wolf, he said. No, don't be silly. It's a piece of rope. The fourth man stretched out and wrapped two arms around something. Choosing the book. No, it's
Shani, do you want to share your story? Can you show your book? Do you have storybooks with you?
I can feel a snake. A boy near heard their argument. You are all wrong. It's an elephant. The first man stopped brushing the entrance like the second man let go.
Okay, Nema, then.
The fourth man stepped away from the lake, and the fifth man took his hands off the trunk, and they never forward
Okay,
again.
I can see two of them is reading the storybooks. Okay, wait, children. Okay, Junran has showing a book to me. Junran, do you want to share the book? Okay, can you share it to me? Oh, I cannot hear Junran. Oh, Ruben, I can see the pictures.
I'll show you something more. In my book, more something. Because something definitely.
Oh, it's about sorry. See, there's another magic word. Look at Jacin's book. There's another magic word.
Sorry.
Yeah.
My word is very
Jacin, have you read the book?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what is that story about? Can you remember what has happened in the story? Oh, I love you.
This book give me one story.
All right. Okay. Wow, everyone has a storybook. Okay, then. Now, I give you a small homework for you. Okay, I can see everyone show your books ready, right? Now, I want everyone to read your storybooks. Okay. You can read 2 storybooks first. Read 2 storybooks. And then you choose which storybook you want to share with me. Okay. Understand or not? After that, yes, Hyunjin. After you choose the book, please take a video and tell me why you like the book. Yes, Hong Yan, I can see that.
We are at emergency control to save energy. Our goal, responding fast to every call, to every crisis, big or small. Providing rescue, we are prepared.
Alright, teacher going to end the lesson now. ZK, can you please stay for a while, ZK and Hong Yan? ZK, Hong Yan, please stay for a while.
A fire
Shani.
They need our help to make it.
Hong Yan, yesterday I asked you to stay, you didn't stay, but today can you stay for a while?
Fire truck sick.
Okay, and Shani, can you stay for a while? I want Hong Yan, Shani, and ZK to stay for a while.
Oh, I can leave.
Others can leave.
Yeah, leave. I leave.
Okay, I'm going to Hyunjin also. Okay, Hyunjin also please stay. Okay, I want 4 children to stay first. ZK, Shani, Hyunjin, and Hong Yan. Others can leave. Thank you very much for your sharing. Bye-bye, Wayne.
Teacher, can I leave?
Who is that? Yeah, Lucas can leave. Lucas can leave.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm coming.
Okay, now I want Junran also can leave, Junran.
What? Why the children can leave? Why I cannot leave?
Because I want to do reading assessment for a while only.
Yeah, also my name is Jungle.
Okay. Can I show? Okay, I will put in ZK. ZK, I will put in waiting room for a while. And Zikir, Hyunjin and Hongyan, can you wait for a while? I will do reading with Shwani, then I will come back to you, okay? Can I, Hongyan? So I put in waiting room for a while. Don't leave, okay?
Waiting room.
You are in. Okay,
This. Bin. They. At. Bugs. Flag. Read. For. Them. Hug. Give. Read. On.
No, one more time. Yeah.
On. Hot. Door. Cute. Help.
No, this is?
Hot.
Yes.
Help. Rubbish. Mop.
Shwani. So cute. Very good. Okay. Good job, Shwani. Thank you very much. Now Shwani can leave.
Wow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you. Okay, I will put in your waiting room first. All right. Hang Yan. Hang Yan. Hi, Hang Yan. Can we start now? Okay, look at my card. I cannot hear you, Hong Yan. Can you unmute yourself? Okay.
Bun.
Look at the middle sound here.
Bun.
No. The middle sound is, what is the middle sound? What is the middle sound? What letter is this in the middle? Okay.
They. At.
Okay, good. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this one? All right. How about this one? Read.
Read.
Read. Okay. For. Okay, how about this one? When you love your mommy, what you will do? Yes. If you want to share, no, if you want to share a pencil, right? What you will do? You will?
Right.
No. You have two pencils. You are using one pencil. Another one, what you will do? Let's say like teacher Ishwari don't have the pencil. I need a pencil. What you will do? Give. Give.
Give.
Okay, how about this word?
Read.
Yes.
On.
This is? Remember in the story, Ray was holding her, she was holding something on the fire stove. The stove?
Mug.
Yeah, pot.
Mug.
This is? You can see it in your room. You will close it or you can open it. Behind you also can see. What is that? Not up. What you can see in the cupboard there? You can? How are you going to? No, how are you going to? Not open. Open the?
Door.
Yes, this is door.
Pen.
No. What is the use of the knife? Yes. How about this one?
Help.
You will throw it away to the bin.
Rubbish.
Yes.
Mop.
Good. Okay. Thank you, Hyunjin. Hong Yan, you can leave now.
Yay. Bye.
Bye, Hong Yan. Hyunjin. Hyunjin, come, let's read the word. Day. Okay, good. Okay. Okay.
Eat.
What is that? Yes.
No. No.
The other way. No, this is start with?
Oh.
For the word no, we'll start with n. This one start with o. So what word could be? Sorry?
Oh.
On.
On.
Yep.
Put.
Sorry?
Put.
No. P. Oh.
House. Oh. Oh.
Okay, never mind. This is pot.
Pot.
How about this word?
Outside. Oh yeah.
This one you can see in your house. Okay, if you want to go out, you need to open this and go out. What is this?
Dog.
Yes.
Cup. Cup.
This is cut. Okay, how about this word? Okay, let's say your neighbor house is on fire. What you will do? Okay, someone come, Hyunjin. Someone is danger. What they will ask? How they will ask They need something, right? What they need?
Water.
No, danger.
Help.
Help. Yes. This is
Rabbit.
very good. This mommy will use this to wipe the floor. What she will use?
Wipe the floor.
How to wipe the floor? Using? Yeah, using a mop. Okay,
Mop.
this. How about this one? What is this? Yes. Okay, how about this one? How about this word? Okay, bus. Read. How about this? Sorry? Okay, how about this word? Damn, okay. This one? Give. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
ZK. Okay, can you read this word?
Đây.
Okay, they. This is? What is the beginning sound, ZK? This. Okay, never mind. Okay, how about this?
Phải xếp tổ.
Fall.
Yes. This one? What you will do when you see your mommy? You will?
Hug.
Yes, this is hug.
Wait, beginning sound, the first one.
If ZK, if you see something, right, some animals, you want to give food, how you will give food? You will? When you are baby, you are not able to eat yourself, right? What your mommy will do? Mommy will?
Quay kêu mấy. Quay kêu.
Feed.
Feet.
Yes. Okay, how about this word?
Dog.
Door.
Cat.
Sorry? Cut, okay. Who is teaching? Who is teaching? Coco is there? tall coco now. Okay, what is this? This is wasted things that you will throw it. Rubbish.
Rubbish.
This?
Help.
How about this?
Mop.
Yes, mop. This is?
Win.
Wheat. Okay.
Win.
Alright. Okay, how about this word?
แล้วก็จะเอาที่ทะเลไปช่วย
What is this word?
all
Okay, good. Mommy will cook soup in a
hot
yes. Okay, still have wait. Okay, how about this word?
อ๋ออันนี้ก็มาเก็บอ๋อมันพูดภาษาอะไรจะทำไม
Okay, never mind. This is bin.
bin
Okay, how about this?
bin ตรงนี้
睇呢度，唔好睇媽咪。
Buts.
Buts.
Okay. How about this word? Rag. Okay, how about this word? Okay, read. This one is? Okay, this is dam.
dam
Okay, how about this one?
give
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.